what I do is I do this on adults or children. I find my plateau and then I go like that. That way I know that when I stick the needle through, I'm not going to stick myself. And I've got a good, well, there would be a kneecap above my hand on a kid or an adult. That way I've got better control. Because people have woke up to this and they weren't happy. So jerking the leg, you can get stuck. And move that leg to wherever's comfortable for you. You find it?
Yeah. I hope it is a bone though.
Don't pull the trigger until you're on the bone. Just feel the bone. Now pull the trigger. There you go.
Is good enough?
Yeah. Hold the base, lift that off, set that aside. Unscrew that. Just set it alongside. And yeah, you would normally do that. On a chicken leg, I don't think it'll work as well.
They all showed up now.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Good. And then just push. See? Coming out beautifully. Good job. You've done this before.
Yeah, dude.